Alright, hey Aston, today we're going to do proofs day 3 using things that are like parallel lines and transversals. So lots of parallel lines. Alright, here we go. Number 19 in your packet looks like this. Now I make you do everything, draw like a line, everything. It goes in right away. Statement. Reason. Now, statement, once again, I'm going to start right away with my given. So I'm given that AD is parallel to EC. I'm also given that segment BD is congruent to segment BC. So I have to put in that information that was given to me. AD is parallel. We're going to show parallel, remember, by little arrows to BC. And then we know that BD is congruent to AC. So right now we only have one piece of information. We need to figure out everything else. Right away, the first thing I see is I have vertical angles here, so I'm going to put that in. Angle ABD is congruent to angle EBC. My reason is definition of vertical angles. Next, we have to think about our parallel lines. We think about our parallel lines. We know that they're cut by transversals. So we have two here. We just need to pick one. I'm going to pick this one right here, this right here, the transversal. We can also pick the other one, which would give us a different answer. When we know parallel lines cut by a transversal, I can say that angle A is congruent to angle E because of alternate interior angles. So I'm going to put angle A is congruent to angle E, and my reason is going to be alternate interior angles are congruent. Now I have enough information, so I'm going to know my triangles are congruent. So I know triangle ABD is congruent to triangle EBC because of angle side. Now, if I would have chosen to use angle C and angle B, the only difference was I still used angle C is congruent to angle D. Alternate interior angles are congruent. But my reasoning at the end would be angle side angle. So there's two different ways you could have done this one. All right, number 20 in your packet. First thing, set up your proof. Statement, reason. I'm going to start with my given. So segment AB is congruent to segment CD, and AB is parallel to CD. Both are given to me. So it goes into my picture. AB is congruent to CD, and AB is parallel. Little triangles here. We only have one piece of information. The first one I see when I look at this is AC is congruent to AC. My reasoning is reflexive property. Make sure I put that in there. So now I have two pieces of information. Now once again, I have parallel lines. Cut by this transversal. And now we can use alternate interior angles again. I'm going to use these ones because I gave numbers for it. So I'm going to say angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, and my reason is alternate interior angles are congruent. Now I have enough information, so I'm going to finish this off by proving that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. And my reasoning for this one is going to be side, angle, side. All right, Austin, you get to work through 21 through 27. I am going to sneak ahead to 22 for you. I want to show you something in this one. If we know that this segment is congruent or parallel to this segment, I want you to think about this transversal, and I want you to tell me how I know that this angle and this angle are congruent. So you have to think about your parallel lines. All right, that's all I have for you. Make sure you check your answers when you're done with that. Have a great day.